not showing us the actual work you did, right? Like Olympic lifting will get you a really nice looking body, and the booty bands will help, thank you, right? You're one of my favorite things. One of
Can
my
you
favorite
please
things.
say that again for the people in the back?
You know what I mean? I have trained with a lot of different clients, from young ones to old ones, everybody, right? And a lot of the female athletes that I work with, they're like, I don't want to get bulky. And I'm like, man, if it was an accident, if I could get bulky by accident, I wish I could, right? If this was a mistake, I would have happened by now. But it's like, you're going to have to put time in to get bulky and to look like something you don't want to look like. You're going to feel much healthier and much stronger lifting weight. And you know what? There's that whole thing where a lot of people do just cardio. Run, cut a bunch of food out of their system, and then do a whole bunch of different exercise, like riding a bike. They go out for runs. They do all this HIIT training that they don't want to do. So now that they hate their workouts, then they finally